arbitrationagreements.org. Let's talk about a topic that we all find a bit daunting: settling disputes. Did you know there's a way to resolve conflicts without stepping inside a courtroom? Yes, it's called Alternative Dispute Resolution, or ADR. And it's a fantastic solution for individuals and companies looking to settle cases efficiently. All right, the numbers speak for themselves. Studies show that about 90% of all lawsuits do not make it to trial, and many of those are resolved through various forms of ADR. Not only does ADR save precious time and resources, but it also significantly decreases the stress often associated with legal battles. So what makes ADR the superior choice over traditional litigation? Well, for starters, it offers a confidential setting allowing parties to freely discuss their issues without public scrutiny. It's highly flexible, giving everyone involved the opportunity to address their concerns and find common ground. Plus, decisions can be reached swiftly, avoiding the lengthy, cumbersome processes that court cases often entail. Now, how can you and your counterparts tap into the plethora of benefits offered by ADR? It's simple. By filing your case through arbitrationagreements.org. We are the leading association in the country, offering comprehensive ADR programs, services, and resources to aid in resolving disputes smoothly. Our experienced team works diligently to provide customized solutions, tailoring our approach to fit the unique needs and circumstances of each case. We believe in fostering amicable resolutions, enabling parties to rebuild relationships and move forward positively. You see, one of the splendid advantages of ADR is its ability to save substantial amounts of money. According to data, the average litigation cost for a civil suit can be upwards of $10,000, while ADR services often cost a small fraction of that amount. It's a difference that can truly make or break the resolution journey for many people and companies. Are you intrigued by the idea of settling disputes in a more harmonious, efficient manner? We encourage you to explore the versatile options available through ADR just by visiting arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think of ADR? Does it seem like an ideal solution for out-of-court settlements? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.